Welcome back to Findtutoronline.net. Today's topic is about deep learning. Imagine you're a child learning about the world. You see a house. How do you know it's a house? Lines, a roof, maybe a chimney. Simple, right? But what about this? A mess? A squiggle? Or maybe something more? As you learn and experience, your brain starts to recognize patterns. The squiggle becomes a face, familiar and friendly. This is how we learn. Our brains take in information, process it, and identify patterns. But what if machines could do the same? Millions of neurons in our brains work together, firing electrical signals. These connections strengthen with repetition, allowing us to learn and remember. Deep learning takes inspiration from this biological process. It uses artificial neural networks, mimicking the structure and function of our brains. Imagine showing a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. But unlike traditional programming, deep learning doesn't need you to tell it what a cat or dog is. Instead, it uses layers of interconnected artificial neurons. Each layer learns to recognize simpler features in the images, like edges, shapes, and colors. As the information travels through these layers, the network starts to combine these features. It learns to identify more complex patterns, eventually distinguishing a cat from a dog based on these learned representations. This process, called training, requires a massive amount of data. The more data the system processes, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making accurate decisions. Deep learning isn't a single technique, but rather a toolbox with different algorithms for different tasks. Convolutional neural networks excel at image recognition, while recurrent neural networks can analyze sequences like text or speech. These are just a few examples, and new algorithms are constantly being developed. Deep learning is already making a huge impact. Self-driving cars use it to navigate roads, facial recognition unlocks your phone with a smile, and even music generation has been revolutionized by deep learning algorithms that can create new and original pieces. Deep learning is still a young field, but its potential is vast. Imagine robots that can learn and adapt to new situations, or medical diagnosis tools that can detect diseases with incredible accuracy. Deep learning is a powerful tool that's constantly evolving. It's helping us build smarter machines and unlock new possibilities. What do you think the future holds for deep learning? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more tech adventures.